If you think tofu is bland, mushy, or tastes like diet food, you're doing it wrong. And you're probably overpaying for takeout when you're craving serious flavors. I took a little break last week, but I'm back in the kitchen. And I've been living off this 15-minute Gochujang Tofu. It's bold, it's sticky, and it's packed with 20 grams of plant-based protein. And it costs less than $2 a serving. I'm gonna show you how to get it perfectly crispy every time. So let's get cooking. Screenshot the recipe card right now. No fancy equipment needed today. First rule of good tofu, remove the water. I pressed mine for just 10 minutes while I prep. Even if you're in a rush, just wrap it in a towel and put something heavy on it. If you skip this, your tofu will steam instead of crisp. Cube it up, but not too small. We want a meaty texture. Add a tablespoon of oil to a hot pan. Let it fully heat up before you toss in your tofu. Now here's the hardest part of the recipe. Do not touch it. Let it sit completely undisturbed for 3 to 4 minutes. Patience is a budget ingredient. That's how you build that golden crispy crust. While that crisp, mix your sauce. Gochujang, soy sauce, maple syrup, rice vinegar, minced garlic, and a tiny bit of cornstarch for gloss. Gochujang is a Korean chili paste. It's sweet, savory, and spicy. Lower your heat before pouring this in. If the pan is too hot, the sugars will burn. Just let it bubble for 1 to 2 minutes until it thickens and hugs the tofu. If you're loving this simple protein-packed meal, drop a leaf emoji in the comments so I know you're still cooking with me. This is where it gets practical. Tonight, I'm serving this over rice with some veggies. But tomorrow, the leftovers go into a wrap with crunchy cabbage. And if I'm really tired on day 3, I just toss it in some instant noodles. One pan, multiple meals. That's how we stretch our groceries. The total for this entire pan of tofu is exactly $4. Add a side of rice, and you're eating a complete protein-packed dinner for $1.76. This season of starting over really reminds me that simple meals really matter. When life seems unpredictable and chaotic, something warm and steady simmering on the stove really can ground you. This meal is easy, affordable, and right now, it's exactly what I need. If you want to learn how to make your groceries stretch further, be sure to subscribe. We're cooking, we're rebuilding, and we're doing one simple meal at a time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.